We are the original Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we want to welcome you to this outstanding Volvo P1800. This is absolutely one of the finest P1800s you'll find. It was the subject of a complete bare metal restoration and was transplanted with a rebuilt B20B engine and transmission. We've had the great fortune of working with this client on many of their cars. They are an amazing steward of each automobile they own. Their mission is to own and drive every car they've ever desired. This car is no exception. It comes with over 1,900 images of the restoration, along with videos of the build. Since our client owned it, they have taken it up another notch, fixing small items like the ignition lock and window regulators, to bigger items like a transmission rebuild and new tires. We'll tell you more after a cold start and a quick drive. As we mentioned, this is one of the finest Volvo P1800s you'll find. You'll notice that it's a Bring a Trailer alumni car. Our client found it here, and following a post-purchase inspection, has spent almost $8,000 to bring it up to a whole nother level. It's a fantastic machine that you can proudly drive and show anywhere. It's an extremely handsome car with its titanium gray paint over black leather upholstery, sitting on new tires mounted to those VTO wheels. It's now live on Bring a Trailer, and for more information, visit us at Genau Autowerks.com. Don't let this one get away from you. Let's go!